Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Webull trading platform. First, download the Webull app or visit their website to create an account. The sign-up process is straightforward, requiring basic personal information and identity verification. Once registered, you'll gain access to a powerful platform designed for both new and experienced traders. It's a great tool for managing your investments efficiently. Funding your Webull account is simple and secure. You can link your bank account directly for ACH transfers, which typically take a few business days to process. Wire transfers are faster but may incur fees from your bank. Webull also supports check deposits. Ensure your account is funded before you start trading to avoid any delays. To place a trade, navigate to the search bar and enter the ticker symbol of the asset you want. Select Trade and then choose your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Enter the quantity of shares, review your order details carefully, and then confirm. It's a quick process once you get the hang of it. Webull offers advanced features like options trading and margin accounts for eligible users. You can also practice with paper trading, a simulated environment, to hone your skills without real money. Don't forget to check out the community tab for insights and discussions. For more great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks, check the description below this video. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.